have some fun, show the play pass.
So for $69, you can get 8 things. So there is the wheel at Icon Park, Madame Tussauds Wax Museum, Sea Life Aquarium, the Orlando StarFlyer, the Pearl Express train, 7D Motion Theater, a $5 arcade credit, and a ticket for the Museum of Illusions. And I want to thank Icon Park for gifting us these tickets. This is our first time using the Play Pass. For the Play Pass, one option is the Museum of Illusions. We're going to show you briefly some of the fun things they have in here. Now, we did have to make a reservation. It looks like there's 50 exhibits for the fun illusion effects. The first one up is the climbing room.
It looks like you're climbing the wall.
Like behind. So you got to take a picture of that.
Isn't that weird?
It's like
I almost thought it was a mirror. I went up to it, I was like, oh.
It's almost like one of those things you stretch. Yeah, or kaleidoscope. Go around to the back, then put your head through the hole in the table. Stand in front of the spotlight facing the projection wall. Raise your hand and play with your fingers. It's an optical illusion. It's kind of like how the Haunted Mansion.
If you move, then it does.
It's like the Haunted Mansion. Symmetry, illusion, impression. Oh, there's 2 of you, buddy. It's weird. Hi. Strike the pose inside the room and take a picture.
This is actually the ceiling, that's the floor.
Okay. Oh, okay. I see it.
Look at how many of us there are. Would you look back there?
Wow!
I have a bunch of heads, a bunch of Vanessa heads.
Yeah, put your fingers up there. Put your hands up like this. Like that.
Whoa.
Look what Daddy's doing, like this.
A lot of stuff here that messes with you. Very trippy.
It goes all the way down there.
Okay, it's an illusion, it's a mirror. The rest of the stuff is on the walls. You have some stuff you can kind of check out and tells you what to do. It has like different illusion effects. Inside the wheelhouse, we got Madame Tussauds to the left, in-game arcade, which is new from last year, the Santa Workshop, the wheelhouse, and the aquarium, the sea life back there. You want to do that? This is better than Disney Springs.
Yeah, it's a longer one.
Yeah. There's another train.
Kind of fun just to do this all day long.
It's about a 5-minute train ride that takes you, it just goes through a lap around Icon Park. It's actually a good little tour so you can check out what shops are around. There's a lot of little stalls that people sell different things, and then there are stores like Build-A-Bear and a bunch of different restaurants and quick service restaurants. The kids honestly just had fun waving at everybody, but I thought it was a cute ride. I would do it again.
Oh, daylight. That was fun.
You like it? Yeah? Alright. They also take your picture and give you a copy, but it is $10. Next up is the Sea Life Aquarium. We've been here and the kids loved it. Now, our Awesomer Pass for Legoland does include Sea Life, but as you can see on the prices here, it's $30 a person, so you really are saving when you get the Play Pass. The Sea Life Aquarium has over 9 exhibits and over 5,000 creatures. We probably average about an hour each visit. Shark shipwreck. I'm just going to briefly show the highlights and a quick walkthrough of the aquarium, but I would highly recommend taking your time and really looking at everything. See it, buddy?
Yeah.
Little ass dragons.
I like it.
It's fun getting a fish. You can go under there too, buddy. You want those? Hi, buddy. Oh, look, there's a white one over here. It really is kid-friendly too, because there are a lot of places you can go underneath and get a really good look of the fish, and they love crawling under and popping their head out.
Whoa!
Oh, look at this eel.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
You see that eel?
Ooh, look at the gigantic fish. Look at that little sea rays.
Oh yeah, I see it too.
Look at that dad guy. What the? Baby, shut the Look at the dad guy, mommy. It's a baby. You can see if they're here too.
The playground at the end, unfortunately, is still closed, but hopefully that will reopen soon. And then the kids' favorite part is the touch tank. At the end, you have to wash off your hands, and then you're able to gently touch with 1 or 2 fingers. We're also going to do the 7D dark ride. I think they have like 6 or so different options, $12 for one ride. Of course, there's a photo opportunity. Or ride them all and save $15. It looks like Zombies, Carnival, and Los Bandidos. This one showing was a werewolf one, but I didn't see it listed, so maybe they rotate. There is just one theater, so after you get your glasses, you take a seat, and then you get your gun ready, and you shoot at the screen. I'm purple.
Yes, it doesn't matter.
How did you like the 70 ride?
It was great.
It was great. Was it scary? Was it scary? Did you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was cool.
Yeah, and then she popped out of my face like this.
It was about 4 minutes or so, you think?
This is a 5-minute ride.
It was cool. I want to do the other ones. I don't know if it's worth 20 something for free, but
No, if you don't get to do stuff like this or not used to doing stuff like this, it is a lot of fun.
yeah.
But we've
liked
seen
it.
a lot of different arcades, a lot of different
yeah,
gimmicks. This is definitely a fun one.
yeah, if you can do it, especially with a play pass, do it.
Yeah.
We're gonna go on the wheel next for sunset. That'll be perfect.
Hey, it's Betty.
Look, it's starting to glow. You can see the lights.
Yeah, I see the blue lights.
The sky. Cruising at a
400 foot.
1 mile per hour, you'll get to know the sights of Orlando aboard the tallest observation wheel on the East Coast. Be sure to have your cameras ready and take
Dun,
what you see: Buchanan's Lakes, wetlands, and
This is a beautiful view up here.
Is it a beautiful view?
Yeah. Look, I see that.
We're gonna see. Hopefully, we're Epic Universes.
We're already
Daddy's gonna help.
I see Volcano Bay. Oh.
Going up 400 feet in the observation wheel, you can get a really good view of Universal. We went out at the sunset time. We just Googled the time, and it turned out perfectly. And then you can also get a view of the whole Icon Park. We ended up eating at Gordon Ramsay's. We'll post that later. But it's a nice area just to walk around and explore, and you can see it really well up high. You can also get a good view of International Drive. I can see Ripley's Believe It or Not right there. And stay tuned for the last, we go on that StarFlyer. You can also program the tablet that's inside the wheel cabin and play different music. They had Christmas music. You can get a great view of Epic Universe, which is Universal Studios' next theme park they are building. So we hope to, every once in a while, pop in and try to get an overlook to see what they've done.
Universal is right next to Icon Park.
It is close. Red Rocket, Pumpkin can see the whole. They are also building a drop tower right inside Icon Park, it looks like, so we will be interested to see if we can go on that when it does open. SeaWorld this way by Coliseum.
Just took it that way. Yeah, they are. No, they're not.
There's some on the sides.
Like the whole thing is lit up.
Get a $5 game credit. We're gonna see what that gets us. I want to take a quick tour around here. They have a few packages, $10 for 40 credits, so I'm guessing the $5 credit's only like 20. And then they also have other attractions as well, and these are the prizes that they have. They also had a mirror maze and a couple other activities you could add on that aren't included, but you could still do. And then I will do a brief tour of the arcade. So with the Play Pass, each person gets a $5 credit. You then exchange that and you get 20 credits per person in the arcade. So for us 4 people, we had a total of 80 credits. Unfortunately, it doesn't get you a whole lot. The Raving Rabbids machine was 48 credits for one person, and some of the other things range from 8 credits to, like I said, 48 credits. So I would use your credits wisely so you don't waste them in like 2 games. If you like arcades, we've toured quite a few in Orlando, so I will link those down below. This is a pretty decent arcade. All of the machines seemed new. They were working great. Just be warned that your $5 may only get you 1 game. How much was this one?
24. I don't know what's left.
Some sort of VR, virtual reality thing over here too. Alright, this does close early. It did close at 6 o'clock. I'll show you some old footage that we've had. It's fun just to mess around and take pictures. And then, so we did In the Game, The Wheel, 7D Dark Ride, and Sea Life. Now we're going to do the StarFlyer. This is a good reminder that we have 30 days to use all of our attractions once you scan your Play Pass. So we'll be back within the 30 days to take a new tour, but this was from last holiday and they have different themes in different rooms. So a lot of athletes, pop singers, actors, all kinds of different movies that you can stand and take silly pictures with. Our favorite rooms are probably the DC rooms with Superman and Batman, and then also the ones like they had Kung Fu Panda and Shrek, E.T. There are so many photo opportunities. If you were to buy the tickets separately, it's around $33, I believe. So in the Play Pass, you do save a lot of money. Also, a side note, if they close at 7 p.m. on the website, it says their last admission time is 6 p.m. So get there an hour before or more, just to make sure you can get in. Scared? You're the one asking to go on it all day long, girl. You're asking to go on it. So heading to the StarFlyer, we see a Disney gift shop. Hold on, bub. Come here. We see the Disney gift shop from outside.
Oh, look at the Ferris wheel.
Oh yeah, you're right. Let's cool it up. Okay, I'm gonna try to take my GoPro on this. That is so tall. 450 feet. It looks cool at night. So you get your tickets here, and you can actually set your stuff down in a bucket on the ground when you sit down to ride the ride. You ready?
Wait, why do you have the water camera?
No, it's a GoPro. But we're going up. We're going up again. Whoa, this is cool. Holy guacamole. Wow. It's okay. It's okay. You're doing good. You're doing good. Holy moly, holy moly, holy moly. I bet you daddy hates me. I bet you daddy hates me right now. I bet you daddy hates me right now. You daddy hates me. Holy crap. Holy crap. You got this, girl. You got this. You got this, girl. Oh my God. I don't eat. Daddy, buddy. Hi, buddy. I can't believe we did this pumpkin. This is like
So fun.
Is it fun? I bet you daddy's gonna never do this again. Oh my gosh, this is terrifying.
No, it's
Not terrifying. Not scared?
not even
You're not scared right now? I've never been up so high before. I hope Daddy and Buddy are doing okay. Yeah, I see it. It is cold. I think we're going down. Man, now it's a little better. It's not so bad when you're going slower and you're like this isn't so bad.
Daddy, how was the ride?
Daddy doesn't like it. Buddy, are you? You do? You're a brave boy.
Pretty please.
No, I think once is good. Once is good. You liked it, Pumpkin?
Yes.
Okay.
Again.
I know. That was fun. Pumpkin, I think once is good. What, buddy? You want to do it again? Just once today, okay? Well, that was a huge rush. My gosh.
Did you like the swing?
Yeah.
Yeah, and you liked it too?
I loved it.
All right, good job. I think we all liked it. It's just scarier for us adults.
All of you guys.
The kids were more brave than the adults.
I think it was terrifying. It was fun though, but it was terrifying.
The top was super scary,
Yeah.
but when it came down, it was slower. It was great.
All I heard was wind rushing through my ears. That's pretty much all I heard. It is a little bit windy and it's definitely cold,
Yeah.
but at nighttime, it's pretty neat when you do look down. I was
Yeah.
scared to look down, sorry.
Yeah.
But I did look
I was
down
trying to film.
and it was pretty neat. But will I do it again? I don't know. If I do, it's gonna be a while from now.
I might. Pumpkin, what was your favorite part of the day?
My favorite is the StarFlyer.
StarFlyer.
Of course it is.
What's your favorite?
I was like,
Is that your favorite too?
I will.
Or the train or the aquarium?
StarFlyer.
StarFlyer, okay.
I did like the train ride. I thought the train ride was fun.
Train ride was fun.
It was cute. It was around the whole little park, so it was nice.
I'm gonna say the 7D thing was my favorite.
That was
because it was
fun,
something
too.
new we hadn't done before.
It is fun.
We've done a lot of the other ones, but I'd say that and the wheel. I know that and the wheel. I really do enjoy the
It was a
wheel.
lot of fun. Stay epic, hit subscribe for more videos. Go to the channel and subscribe.
Subscribe.